How to fix Threads upload field error. In order to fix Threads upload field error, you could go with the basic troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connection, restarting your app, clearing your cache and data, logging out and in, or reinstalling as well. So let's just go with the basic steps. First thing, open up settings on your device, locate network and internet from the list. Here you want to go to the internet section, and what you want to do is you could simply go ahead and refresh or restart. That should be able to help you out fix as well. Or you could also switch between mobile network and mobile data as well. And once you've done this, you could also go ahead and close this up and head over to the app section from the list, locate threads from the options. Then you just want to go ahead and locate storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as storage. That should definitely help you out fix Threads upload field error. So this way you're supposed to fix. If not, you could also go ahead and make sure to update your application. Head over to your respective app, and here you go. You could go ahead and update your app as well. That should also be able to help you out. So this is how you're going to fix Threads upload field error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.